Hi again, Ngong from Happiness Education. I'm a registered migration agent. In today's session, I will cover skills assessment. By skills assessment, we refer to the assessment, to the evaluation of your skills to perform certain works in a nominated occupation. Why is this important? It is important to get a positive outcome for the skills assessment because without it, you will not be eligible to apply for most of the permanent skilled visas. Now let's do a deeper dive. I did mention about nominated occupation before. What did I mean by that? Well, as defined by a certain legislative instrument, there are close to 500 occupations in the skills list. The skills list is further broken down into three separate categories: the medium and long-term strategic skills list, the short-term skilled occupation list, and the regional occupation list. If your occupation does not fall in these lists, then you may not be eligible to apply for any skilled migration visas. This is something to take note of. Now, for example purpose, let us look into an occupation, say a civil engineer. For civil engineer, the skills can be assessed by the competent authority or the skills assessment authority, and in this case, it is Engineers Australia. Now, if you are a civil engineer and you want to get your skills assessed, you have to submit an application to Engineers Australia. There are different assessment pathways, and the pathway is decided by three factors. Number one, the type of qualification. Number two, the country from where you received the qualification. Number three, whether your qualification is accredited or not. These three factors will decide your assessment pathway. Now, if your qualification is not accredited, and it is most likely to be so, if you have your engineering degree from, say, some part of India, in that case, you will have to go down the Competency Demonstration Report (CDR) assessment pathway. What happens there is that your skills, your knowledge, and competency gets assessed against certain factors that are internationally benchmarked. So, to summarize, skills assessment is a very important part of the overall skilled migration process. So you need to make sure that you get a positive outcome for a skills assessment, and for that to happen, you need to know the process, the requirements, the correct pathways.